Hi everyone, I'm Zach from Porsche Connect Calgary, and I'm here today to talk to you guys about our online Connect services. There's two portions to your services. You're going to have the app functionality, and then you're going to have the online services that are part of your vehicle. Those are going to include online navigation with real-time traffic info. You're going to have some online music streaming and podcast options, along with some real-time app functionality. That's going to include your weather app, newsfeed, parking, Yelp reviews. There's a number of them, and the very last one's going to be your online map updates for your navigation. Once you either purchase a car or you're expecting your car to come in, if you built it from factory, you go ahead and get an online invitation into your email, and that'll be to set up your My Porsche account. Here's some of the features that you'll have available on the app. You're going to be able to see whether your car is locked, unlocked, windows rolled down, and on top of that, if you do need to, you're also going to be able to unlock and lock your vehicle. So you're going to see how much fuel's in the tank. You're going to be able to see what your different trips are. So you're going to be able to come into your trip data. You're going to be able to see since you started the vehicle, since refueling, and your total trip as well. Going further down, you're also going to be able to see when services are due, oil level, tire pressures once you've driven over 25 kilometers an hour, and they're available to get displayed. From there, some of the security features which a lot of people are interested in. You're going to have the ability to set geofences and speed limits, which can be done in the alarms and mode settings. If you own multiple Porsches with us, you're able to have them all connected to your Connect app. The Porsche Connect services are something we always encourage customers to have. It's going to improve your overall experience. If you do have any questions with the setup or how to get things going, feel free to reach out to me. I'm always happy to help. Thanks everyone for watching, and have a good day.